How to save your TikTok draft to gallery. To save your TikTok draft videos to your gallery, what you do is you launch the TikTok application and then you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then when we've done that, we can simply look our draft videos there. So go to that draft video and select that draft video. Now here, this is our draft video. So if I want to save this video from my draft without actually publishing it or letting anybody know, what I do is I tap on the arrow icon at the top right hand side from the toolbar. So when I tap on it, there you can see the option save with watermark. So what happens when I save with watermark is that this video will be downloaded on my phone and to my gallery, but with a watermark. But if I want to save without watermark, you can just try to post it, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically upload that video or download it as well. So if I now go ahead and open up my gallery, you'll find that particular video that I just saved from my TikTok draft as well. But of course, it has a watermark over there, as you can see. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.